I was sent this cordless orbital sander and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out and see what you get in the box. Here's everything you're going to get sent to you. Wow, I mean, this is a great deal just for the sanding discs alone. These all come with the soft side here that sticks to the hook and loop fastener side over here. And you've got all the different grits from P80, P60 to 80, 120, 180 to 240. Looks really good. You're going to have a whole bunch of options here when you're sanding on your next project. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the 240s, one of the finer ones here, and show you how you put the thing together. You're just going to try to line these up and line up the holes, because that's going to allow dust to come through. There's a fan. It's going to pull through and come into this little dust container here. So if you don't line those up, it won't be as effective. Let's go ahead and put this on. It's just going to go on, and then with a quarter turn, it's going to lock in place. Very simple. And as you can see here, this is a yellow design on this. It's compatible with your DeWalt style batteries. So if you're already in this family of batteries, you got everything you need to get started here. This is a tool-only purchase. This has got the speeds right here. You got a dial from 1 all the way up to 6. And that's going to adjust the speed. This is that random orbital type, so it's going to float around a little bit as it's doing its thing. So go ahead and connect the battery like that, very simple. And right on the front here is where you've got your power on and off. And that's about it. Let's give it a whirl. Let's see how it does and do a little sanding. So now, as you can see from the video, I didn't have any dust coming up. It was all going into the bag here. I didn't have any clouds of dust at all. But I've got a decent amount stuck in this bag. And what you can also notice is it's got that nice random pattern. If I let go of it, it just kind of floats around on its own. So that's going to help your sanding be a little more even throughout, following all that circular random patterns. And then the sanding, you know, nice and smooth here. I got this rough workbench that I'm going to try to sand down and put some paint on it. And this really did a good job to get that first layer off with that fine grit. So yeah, I definitely would recommend. It's got a nice solid feel to it, like you expect with the OEM brand tools. And this one here with a brushless motor, it's going to last you a long time. It's going to get all those sanding needs done. I hope that helps. Have a great day.